What's in his mouth anta.
3.
It's right.
This is turmeric powder.
Oh my god. What is this?
Cough medicine. Are you serious?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel The Random Couple. I'm Reema
and I'm Elton.
So ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಮೌತ್ ಅಂತ.
What's in my mouth?
Yeah, what's in his mouth ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ. ಸೊ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಅದನ್ನ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೀನು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏನದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನ ಈ ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಿನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಿನಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನ್ ಇವಾಗ 8 ಅನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
8, that's a lot.
ಓಕೆ, 8 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 8 ಅನ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ನೀನ್ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ
She doesn't know my price at all. I'll demand my price.
ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಂಗೆ?
I'll demand it after this.
ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ದ
I'll demand it after this in the video.
ಓಕೆ, I'll demand it. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು
Are you serious?
ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನವಡೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
I want black and white whiskey.
Hey, shut up. Okay, fine. So ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, we'll start the game.
Okay, start.
3, 2, 1.
I can't see anything.
Guess.
I can't. 3.
It's right.
Hey, I guessed it. How will I know?
Okay, this is
5.
what the fuck? You're guessing it correct.
What can I do if I'm guessing it correct?
Okay, fine. ಪಕ್ಕ ತಗರಿಸಾನೆ.
No.
ಅವನಿಗೆ 3 and 5 ಕೇಳಿದ ಎರಡು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ
I can't see at all. I can't even open my eyes.
Okay, ಅವನು ನಾನು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So we'll start the game. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Start. First one.
Butter.
Oh yeah. 1 point. Okay, next one. Guess.
These are like cutlets.
Okay. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೆಸರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೆಸರು I don't know, but it's
but
it's not dal, but it's kadle.
ಕಡ್ಲೆ. Okay, ನೀನು half ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ, so I'll give you half.
No half, I got it right.
No, half it is. So I'm actually writing it down on points ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. Okay, next one.
I'm scared.
Ho, ho, ho.
Curd.
Curd? Full ಆಗಬೇಕು curd.
This is curd, only curd with sugar.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. What is that?
Curd with sugar.
Okay, correct. Oh my god. Okay, next.
Not bad, huh? I'm pretty good chef. Parle-G biscuit.
Okay, great. Okay, 1 more point. So total ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ
5.
3. No.
You
One,
gave me
two, three.
you gave me
Three and
4
half.
items. You gave me 4
Three
items.
and half. Yeah, 3 and half. Okay, next one. ಇದು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? You're like that chef, next level chef.
What the fuck is this?
Okay, guess. Okay, fast.
This is turmeric powder.
Oh my god. Crazy, he guessed it right. So next ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು.
Pickle.
one more right. Great. Okay, next one. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Okay. Black water.
Okay, this is black water, right?
I'm pretty good at this game.
You're winning. Okay. Next one. I think eshtayitu.
6 items.
Okay, next one. Okay, guess. Guess.
Am I even supposed to be eating this?
Your wish. What is that? Guess money.
This is your mom's
Huh?
thing she gave. It was kept in this thing. And if we use it for something like a tamarind water, but it's not tamarind, but your mom gave it to us and I've kept it on the side in the kitchen.
What's the name
I
of
don't
that?
know the name of it. Your mom said we can reuse it. Some pinkish, not pinkish, some.
Okay, I'll give you half. I can't give you full because
So that's
you have-
one. So half, 1 point.
Yeah, half this one I'll give you. It's called Punarpuli.
Punnar Puli. All these names and all. How will I get?
Oh, ba. Okay, next.
Oh my god. Friggin' spicy. Hot sauce.
Yeah, but from where?
You want the company name also?
It's okay, you can tell if you know.
It's the hot sauce that we had there.
No.
Yeah.
No. It's from the packet, okay? One
Yeah,
packet.
from the packet.
Chota packet. Like one rupees ka packet we get, no? From the, what is that?
Biba hot sauce.
No.
Then.
ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮೆಕ್ಡಿ ಡಾಮಿನೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
From where we got it?
ಹಾ okay fine he doesn't know but what is it?
Hot sauce.
Okay hot what sauce?
Hot chili sauce.
Ha okay fine one I can give him so aita illa last one is pending okay last one all the best this one don't see
Frickin' El Zipla!
What is this?
Cough medicine!
Yeah,
Yak.
right. Yeah, right. So finally, okay, fine.
Woo!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus. Oh, 9! Nice!
Out of how many items?
Out of 10, 9 marks. Oh, wow. How's the game?
I liked the game.
You liked it,
Food was horrible.
But how was my selection? ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ
It was a good selection.
Okay.
I felt like if no one was married to you, they wouldn't have figured it out.
No one would have ಕಾಲು ಉಳಿತೈ
Only the person who are married to you will figure this out.
Oh yeah, right. Okay, right. Fine. So ನೀವು ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ so what do you want?
I want, as of now or later for Easter.
You can tell anything.
Okay. I'm craving for some food.
Food. What
Yeah,
kind of food?
Like some hot Maggi.
Hot Maggi right now?
Right now.
Okay, fine. So ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಂತೆ ಎಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ he was saying ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಅವನ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ I'm promoting black water alva ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು okay fine anyways fine that's all for the day guys thank you so much for watching this video ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ and that's all for the day
You also guys try this at home with your friends or your loved ones but make it more complicated. This was actually complicated.
yeah
But I have a very good taste for food.
okay see you next week until then
Bye-bye. Fun.
no chumma
I've never tasted turmeric in my life and that was crap.
crap
But I got it with some masala.
how
And you've given me 1 tablespoon of coriander. I mean,
no
turmeric.
little I gave it to you finish it off
Give me my Maggi first. What is this?
this one
Come on. You're going to finish it and eating that?
no you want
No.
black water you finish
Black water.
Butter also you finish. I don't know. Whoa, we can't know.
Why?
Butter Rashid the conquer. How's cough syrup plan?
Horrible it was.
Chalo, you want Maggie? Okay.